Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another review. This time we're gonna review Super One Piece styling smoker from One Piece made by Banzai. So here's the box. In the front you can see the picture of the figure. The right side. The back, the other figures that you can collect from this line. Here's Tashigi, Law, and Luffy. The left side. The top. The bottom. And here's the figure itself. He comes with a stand and his weapon. Okay. For the stand, you're just gonna attach this little stick that will serve as its support, so he won't fall off easily. Okay, and we're just gonna attach his feet, the little pegs on the base. There you go. And for his weapon, you're just gonna slide it in his hand. It's pretty easy. There you go. So I'm just gonna show you a quick overview. As you can see, the details are amazing. I only bought it for $14, so it's a pretty good deal. Here's the back. As you can see, his hair pretty well detailed. There are no other flaws in the paint job. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys next time.